Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RV backup cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. These cameras are perfect for ensuring safety and convenience while driving or parking your RV. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Furrion Vision S 3-camera wireless RV backup system, a versatile option designed to provide comprehensive coverage around your RV. This kit includes a 5-inch anti-glare monitor, 1 rear shark fin camera, and 2 side running light cameras, making it an all-around solution for safer driving and parking. The cameras are equipped with a high-resolution 720 by 480 display, infrared night vision, and wide-angle lenses to ensure excellent visibility in various lighting conditions. Its IP65 waterproof rating adds to its durability, even in rainy or dusty environments. The motion sensors and built-in microphone are standout features, offering enhanced security and parking guidance. The design is sleek and user-friendly, and most RVs are prepped for installation, meaning you won't need to drill extensively. The wireless connection ensures stable transmission up to 100 feet at high speeds or up to 492 feet in open spaces. However, the 5-inch monitor feels a bit small compared to other models on this list, and the resolution, while decent, could be sharper for modern standards. This system is ideal for users who want a reliable and easy-to-install backup camera for medium-sized RVs. The biggest pros are its simple setup, stable wireless signal, and all-around visibility. On the downside, the smaller monitor and lack of advanced features like DVR functionality may leave tech-savvy users wanting more. Overall, it's a solid choice for those looking for a balance of function and simplicity. Coming in at number 4 is the pemacom magnetic solar wireless backup camera, a highly portable and easy-to-use solution for smaller RVs, trailers, and trucks. This camera is designed for simplicity, with a 1-minute magnetic installation that requires no drilling. The camera is wrapped in a scratch-proof rubber coating, ensuring it doesn't damage your vehicle's paint. It features a 7-inch HD LCD monitor and a 1080p CMOS sensor that provides excellent clarity, even in low-light conditions, while the wide 170-degree angle minimizes blind spots. One of the standout features is the solar-powered battery, which, when combined with the included Type-C charger, offers up to 24 hours of usage on a full charge. The wireless signal is stable within a range of 33 feet, making it ideal for smaller setups. However, this range may be limiting for users with larger RVs or trailers. The system also includes adjustable parking lines and dual video channel support, allowing you to add an extra camera if needed. This product is perfect for users who prioritize portability and quick setup over advanced features. The biggest pros are its ease of installation, high image quality, and durable build. On the downside, the limited wireless range and lack of DVR or smart integration may not suit those needing more comprehensive systems. Still, for its price and convenience, the pemacom P15 is an excellent choice for small to medium vehicles. At number 3, we have the DVK-NM2 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera, a feature-packed system tailored for RVs, trailers, and trucks. This setup includes 2 magnetic mount cameras with a robust solar-powered design, paired with a 7-inch IPS monitor that delivers sharp 1080p visuals. The system offers DIY installation in just 3 minutes, no drilling or wiring required, and the cameras are equipped with IP69 waterproofing, making them suitable for all weather conditions. Performance-wise, the cameras have a wide 120-degree viewing angle and excellent night vision thanks to 9 infrared LED lights. The DVR loop recording feature is a standout, ensuring you never miss crucial footage, and the included 32GB SD card is a nice bonus. The signal transmission range of up to 328 feet is impressive, providing stability even at highway speeds. However, the cameras rely on magnets for mounting, which may not be as secure on non-metallic surfaces. This system is ideal for users who want a high-performance, portable solution with advanced features like DVR recording. The pros include easy installation, excellent image quality, and durable design. The cons are its reliance on magnetic mounting and slightly smaller field of view compared to competitors. Overall, the DVK-NM AP7 II is a great choice for those requiring versatility and reliability. The runner-up spot, number 2, goes to the Venluna RV camera system, a premium choice for larger vehicles like semi-trucks, trailers, and campers. With a large 10.36-inch touchscreen and 4 1080p cameras, this system ensures a 360-degree view of your surroundings. It features cutting-edge blind spot detection, parking monitoring, and DVR loop recording, making it one of the most comprehensive systems on the market. What sets this system apart is its compatibility with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless integration with your smartphone for navigation, calls, and media. The cameras are housed in IP69 rated metal casings, ensuring durability in harsh conditions, and the real-time alerts for blind spots add an extra layer of safety. However, installation requires basic wiring, which might be a hurdle for some users. This product is perfect for tech-savvy users with larger vehicles who want a feature-rich and intuitive backup camera system. The pros include its advanced safety features, smartphone integration, and robust build quality. The cons are the higher price point and more complex installation process. If you want one of the most advanced systems available, the Venluna is a fantastic choice. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Venluna RV camera system with CarPlay and Android Auto, a wired solution that's perfect for semi-trucks, trailers, and motorhomes. This system includes 5 1080p cameras, offering a complete 360-degree view of your vehicle's surroundings. The 10.1-inch HD touchscreen runs on Android 13, allowing you to download apps like Google Maps, Netflix, and more. It also features Bluetooth 5.0 for hands-free calls and DVR recording with loop functionality. The cameras are IP69 waterproof and provide excellent visibility in all weather conditions. The wired connection ensures zero signal loss, making it one of the most reliable systems on the market. While the setup requires more effort due to wiring, the result is a stable, high-performance system with no delays or interference. The parking monitoring and navigation features add extra convenience, making this system a true all-in-one solution. This product is ideal for users who want the best of the best in terms of reliability, functionality, and advanced features. The pros include the robust wired setup, large touchscreen, and integration with CarPlay and Android Auto. The cons are the higher price and more time-intensive installation. For those who want a premium experience, the Venluna system is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.